Hello! How are you doing today? Today, I'm going to tell you all about the very best natural, sugar-free, and easy options that you can use to sweeten your coffee. Many people want to cut sugar from their coffee, whether it's to lose weight or to control blood sugar levels, pre-diabetes, or diabetes. You're going to love this video, so stay until the end. You won't want to miss it. First of all, if you're new here, welcome. Take the opportunity to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I have new videos every day. You'll love them. A lot of people tell me that they want to stop putting sugar in their coffee. They say they're not going to have coffee with sugar anymore, that they want to lose weight, they want to control their diabetes. Because people with diabetes can't be consuming sugar all day long in their coffee, so they talk about switching to brown sugar or demerara sugar, but that's still sugar just the same. So they decide to switch to honey, but honey has a lot of carbs and causes insulin spikes, or dates, which also have a lot of carbohydrates. So these are not good options from a metabolic or caloric standpoint. I'm going to give you some delicious, healthy options that you're going to like. You know that sugar is one of the worst foods of our modern times, not to scare you, but it's terrible for our gut, our skin, and our immune system. It also makes you crave even more sugar, so being able to reduce or eliminate sugar from our diet only brings us benefits. I have a really great video about how many days you need to go without sugar to improve your metabolism, and I'll leave it down below for you. And if you struggle with sugar cravings, know that it's possible to reduce these cravings with changes in your diet and lifestyle. Check below the description for related videos. If you don't know, the video title is right here with an arrow. Just click it and a tab will open with all these links that I'll organize for you. The first tip I have for you to sweeten your coffee to make it naturally sweeter is to use cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice without sugar, and it even helps to make our cells more sensitive to the insulin that is produced. It improves blood sugar levels, helps regulate blood glucose, and also naturally brings out the sweetness. You can either put a cinnamon stick into your coffee or sprinkle a little cinnamon on top, about half a teaspoon, just a small amount, because it will already bring out some sweetness and give it a wonderful flavor. Another interesting option, along the same lines as cinnamon, is to use cocoa powder. Unsweetened cocoa powder has many benefits and is rich in antioxidants that are good for our health. I even have a video where I talk more about cocoa powder, the benefits of chocolate, and another video about cinnamon, like how to lose weight with cinnamon. I'll also leave those linked below in the description. So you can sprinkle unsweetened cocoa powder on top of your coffee. It's a great option. It will give your coffee that delicious combination we love, and it will really help satisfy your sweet cravings. Another good option is to add a few drops of unsweetened vanilla extract. Vanilla extract naturally brings out a lot of sweetness. Of course, if you had a vanilla bean to stir into your coffee, that would be perfect, but it's very expensive and not really worth it for everyday use. So, a few drops of vanilla extract will serve the same purpose. They'll really bring out the sweetness and will be a great option. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Another good option is to sweeten it with a bit of coconut milk or almond milk, because even though they have calories, they have virtually no carbohydrates, so they'll bring that natural sweetness. Coconut milk is wonderful. It makes the coffee creamier, and almond milk is also a great choice. I have videos here on the channel making both. I have an entire playlist of plant-based milks. I'll leave that playlist down below, and then you can tell me whether you prefer it with coconut milk or almond milk. Because I was also thinking that a great option is to add coffee, a bit of coconut milk, and a pinch of cinnamon. It turns out amazing. Try it at home and let me know afterwards. And also, for those who really can't do it yet and are in the process of retraining their palate, because that takes time, and want to know if there's really nothing that can sweeten it that makes it taste sweet. You can choose a natural, non-caloric sweetener such as stevia, xylitol, or erythritol. I have videos talking about them here on the channel because they have different properties, different flavors, and different prices. Also, there's a playlist here that's all about sugar and sweeteners. I'll leave it down below, and you can click there to see which one you want to learn more about and watch the videos. If you love coffee, I have some videos here on the channel that you'll love, talking about the benefits of coffee, tips for making healthier coffee, and a playlist of coffee recipes, so take a look at the description. And while you're at it, let me know down below in the comments how you like to sweeten your coffee. I'd love to see your comment and find out if you have any different ideas. I love seeing your suggestions. Like the video because that really helps me out, and share it with anyone who might need it. Let's work together to spread this positive movement. That's what I want most for this channel. See you. Bye.